Hey everyone, welcome back to the Privacy Guy. This video is a little bit different than my usual videos, and basically I just want to call for 1,000 privacy advocates. I'm looking for 1,000 people who are interested in privacy and who are, the kind of people who are new adopters of privacy-friendly tools. So, let's say you're the first person among your friends to use DuckDuckGo. Then you're the person I'm looking for. I'm interested in working with these people to build a community around privacy. Kind of the problem with privacy is that if someone's interested in privacy, they're not necessarily willing to share that. And so you have maybe a bunch of people, a community that doesn't really know that a community exists, but there's a bunch of people out there just like them. We recently saw this with DuckDuckGo, how they reached 100 million searches in a day. So clearly, there are plenty of people out there who are interested in protecting their privacy. So obviously, this is kind of a selfish question, but I'm looking for 1,000 people because I want 1,000 followers on YouTube. I want a community of privacy-interested individuals who want to know about the latest privacy tools, who aren't interested in using things like Google and Facebook simply because, they don't want to give their information away for free. I'm trying to get to 1,000 followers, so I'm looking for 1,000 individuals who are interested in privacy. So if you are someone interested in privacy, I'd really appreciate you subscribing to my channel, or if you're already subscribed, maybe pass this along to your community of people that are interested in privacy. So maybe your friend who told you about DuckDuckGo, pass this along to them. I'd really appreciate it. That's all. I'll keep it short. So thanks for watching, and you'll be hearing from me soon.